Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
So let us do the next question now. Here we have to carry out the multiplication of the expressions in the following pairs. So let us multiply the first part. 4p is to be multiplied with q plus r. So 4p will first get multiplied with q. 4p into q gives us 4pq plus 4p into r gives us 4pr. Right? This is how we do it. In the second part, we have to multiply AB and A minus B. So AB will get first multiplied with A. So we get A into A is A square into B minus AB when multiplied with B gives us A. B into B is B square. Third part, we have to multiply in the third part A plus B with 7a square b square. So we can write it as 7a square b square multiplied with a plus b. It doesn't change anything. So 7a square b square first gets multiplied with a. So 7 will remain as it is. A square into a becomes a cube into b square plus 7 a square remains as it is. B square into b will become b cube. Clear? The next part is the fourth part. We have to multiply a square minus 9 with 4a. So 4a multiplied with a square minus 9. 4a into a square is 4a cube minus 4 into 9 is 36a. Right? Let us see the last part. When you multiply it with 0, you multiply anything with 0, the answer is going to be 0. Clear? Let's move ahead. Here there is one table given. We have to complete this table, first expression and second expression, and we have to write the product. So the first expression is A. We have to multiply it with B plus C plus D. So when A is multiplied with B plus C plus D, we will get AB plus AC, okay, and plus AD. So this would be the answer. The second is x plus y minus 5 and it is to be multiplied with 5xy. So we can write it as 5xy getting multiplied with x plus y minus 5. Okay, 5xy into x, 5x square y. 5x square y plus 5xy multiplied with y, 5xy square. And then 5xy multiplied with minus 5 minus 25xy. So what is the answer that is to be placed here? 5x square y plus 5xy square minus 25xy. Now the third part, we have to multiply this p with this, all the three terms. So 6p square into p gives us 6p cube minus 7p into p gives us 7p square plus 5 into p gives us 5p. Quite easy. The next is this one. So first of all we will multiply 4p square q square with p square. So 4 p square and p square will be p to the power 4 into q square minus. Now again 4 p square and q square into q square is q to the power 4. The last one, a plus b plus c is to be multiplied with abc. A plus b plus c is to be multiplied with abc. So just see, multiply this a with abc, you get a square bc plus ab square c because b and b will make b square plus ab will remain as it is, c and c will become c square. So we have a square bc, ab square c and abc square. Right, so the multiplication is really simple. Just take care of the signs that are there in front of the terms and the powers. Right, here is another question. We have to find the product. Okay, so let us find the product. For the first one we have a square into 2a to the power 22 into 4a to the power 26. Right, so 2 and 4 we will multiply separately. We have a square a to the power 22 into a to the power 26. 2 into 4 is 8. A square a to the power 22 into 26. Same basis, in multiplication we'll add up the powers. So 22 into 2 is 24. 24 and 26. 6 and 4, 10. 2 and 2, 1, 2 and 2, 4 and 1, 5. 50 we get. So a to the power 50. This will be the product of the first one. Clear? Let us do the second one. In the second, we have 2 upon 3 xy multiplied with minus 9 upon 10 x square y square. So, writing the coefficients together. 2 upon 3 into minus 9 upon 10, and then we have xy and x square y square. So, see, 3 3s are 9. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. We get minus 3 upon 5. This is the constant or the coefficient. Then x and x square forms x cube and y square forms y cube. Right? Okay. So this is the answer for this second part, and this is how we solve it. Let us do the third part. In this we are given minus 10 upon 3 pq cube multiplied with 6 upon 5 p cube q. So let us form the make the coefficients right together. Minus 10 upon 3, 6 upon 5 pq cube into p cube q. So see, 5 1s are 5 2s are 10, 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, 2 and 2 is 4, and this minus sign. So minus 4 p and p cube forms p to the power 4. Q cube and q forms q to the power 4. So this will be the answer of this question, right? Okay, the next one is really easy, the fourth part. Just see here what is given. X, x square, x cube and x to the power 4. So all the coefficients are 1. So that will be 1 only. How many powers of x? That same base we have, we'll add the powers. 4 plus 3, 7. Plus 2, 9. Plus 1, 10. So x to the power 10 will be the answer of the fourth part. Right? Let us move ahead. Here they are asking you to simplify and find its values for x equal to 3 and x equal to half. So let us do the first part. In the a part, we have to simplify 3x, 4x minus 5 plus 3. Let us simplify it first. Multiply 3x with 4x, students. What you get? Think about it. 3 into 4 is 12. X into x is x square minus 3 5s are 15x, because we are multiplying 3x with 5 plus 3 we have. So we will put at x equal to 3. That is the first part. Okay. Let us put x equal to 3. We will get 12 into 3 square. Instead of x we put 3. 15 into 3 plus 3. So we get 12. 3 3s are 9 minus 15 3s are 45 plus 3. So 12 into 9 we get 108 minus 45 plus 3. So let us add the positive terms. 108 and 3 we get 111 minus 45. So from 111 you subtract 45. 11 minus 5 is 6. 10 minus 4 is 6. And here we get, what are we going to get? 0. So 66 we get. 66. Is that clear? So this is how we solve. Now we are left with the second part. In the second part, in the simplified expression, that means this, we have to put x as equal to half. So we will write 12 into 1 upon 2 whole square minus 15 into 1 upon 2 plus 3. Now 12 into 1 upon 4 minus 15 upon 2 plus 3. So 4 3s are 12. So 3 minus 15 upon 2 plus 3. So we get 3 plus 3 is 6 minus 15 upon 2. You can take 2 as the LCM. Okay. So 12 minus 15. We get minus 3 upon 2. Is that clear? So these are the values of these expressions when they are simplified, and we put x as equal to 3 in the first part and x equal to 1 upon 2 in the second part. Right? Now in the similar way we have to solve the second part of it. In the b part we are given a into a square plus a plus 1 plus 5. Let us first simplify it. A into a square is a cube. A into a is a square. A into 1 is a plus 5. So we will first put a as equal to 0 according to the first part as the question is demanding. So a equal to 0, we get 0 cube plus 0 square plus 0 plus 5. So what are we left with? Only 5. Now we have to put a as 1. So putting a as equal to 1, just put in this expression 1. We get 1 cube, 1 square, 1 and 5. So we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5. So we get 8. Right? This is how we solve. Here we have to add them. Okay, so first of all, before adding, we are going to simplify them. Okay, in the first part, we have p into p minus q. This is the first. Q into q minus r, second, and r into r minus p, third. We have to add them. So first of all, we'll simplify them. This one will become p square minus pq. This will be q square minus qr. This will be r square minus rp, or pr we say. Now, let us write the first one, p square minus pq. The second is q square minus qr, and the third one is r square minus rp. Because all the terms are different, they will be written like this. We have to add them. So minus rp plus r square minus qr plus q square minus pq plus p square. So this is going to be our answer. Clear? P square plus pq plus q square minus qr. Okay, it is also minus pq plus r square minus rp. Alright, let's do the second part now. In the B part, we have been given 2x into z minus x minus y and 2y into z minus y minus x. Alright, so let us first solve this. This will become 2xz minus 2x square minus 2xy, and this one will become 2yz. So do we have yz? No, we will write 2yz here. So I'll write it 2yz minus 2y square minus 2xy. Right? So let us write it. 2yz we will write separately. Minus 2y square will also be written separately. And minus 2xy, that will be written here. Minus 2xy. And this is of plus. So when we add them, we get minus 2y square plus 2yz. Minus 2xy and minus 2xy becomes how much? 4xy minus 4xy and minus 2x square and 2xz. So this will be the addition of these two after simplification. Okay, let us try the third one now. Okay, in the third one we have the first as 3l l minus 4m plus 5n, and the second one is 4l into 10n minus 3m plus 2l. So let us multiply. Multiply 3l will l. 3l square minus 3 into 4 is 12lm. Then plus 5 3s are 15ln. And the next is 4l into 10n is 40ln. 40ln minus 4 3s are 12lm. Okay, plus we have 4 2s are 8l square. Clear? Now we're going to subtract them. So from this we have to subtract. So this will be written first. 40ln minus 12lm plus 8l square. From this we have to subtract this one. 3l square, it is of plus, okay, minus 12ln minus 12lm and plus 15ln. 15ln. Now when we subtract, the sign changes. It will become minus, it will become plus, it will become minus. So students, 8 minus 3 is 5l square of plus. Then minus 12lm plus 12lm becomes 0, they get cancelled up. Then we have 40 ln minus 15 ln. So subtracted, 10 minus 5 is 5 and 3 minus 1. Just see 3 minus 1, we get 2 ln. And it will be of plus because 40 is greater and it has a positive sign. So 25 ln plus 5l square is the subtraction of these two. Right, now we are left with the last part of it. Let us do that too. So we have 3a into a plus b plus c minus 2b into a minus b plus c. And first of all, let us simplify that. So 3a into a is 3a square plus 3ab plus 3ac. Okay, minus 2b into a is minus 2ab minus minus plus 2b square minus plus minus 2bc. So just see 3a square, writing it as it is, then 3ab minus 2ab. What is that? 3ab minus 2ab. 3ab minus 2ab gives us only ab. Then 3ac we have. Okay, then we have 2b square and minus 2bc we have. Clear? Now we have to subtract it from this, and this is nothing but, it is what? Let us multiply it also. The second expression is what? The second expression is 4c multiplied with minus a plus b plus c. It is actually equal to minus 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square. So we will write this first. We will write minus 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square. From this we have to subtract, because this is written after from this we have to subtract this, and we have simplified this, and this is 3a square. So I am writing 3a square of plus as it is, plus ab. Do we have any term having ab? No. So plus ab. Then we have 3ac. Do we have ac? Yes. Plus 3ac here. Then 2b square. So plus 2b square as it is. Then I have minus 2bc. Minus 2bc. So let us solve it. So first of all, because we are subtracting, let us change the signs. It will be minus, plus, minus, minus, minus. So we have minus 2b square minus ab minus 3a square, then here plus 4c square. Okay, 4 plus 2 is 6bc of plus, and minus 4 and minus 3 is minus 7ac. So this will be the answer. I hope you have understood it. We first have simplified it. After simplification, we simplified the second expression, and then we have to subtract both of them. The sign of only the second expression will change, which is getting subtracted from it.